Hello, my name is Ilya Konik and my student number is 101460488, and this is a presentation of my portfolio website. So let's begin by just going to my website. I have created a website using Next.js technology, and so just going back to requirements, I can see that the website should be deployable without any extra technologies. However, unfortunately, I did saw that requirement way too late, and as well, it is very restrictive in terms of what technologies I might use, and so um, I did develop it using way more advanced and more interesting technologies, which might appeal to potential employers. And so I do believe that the fact that I have implemented it using React and specifically Next.js is actually a huge benefit. And that's why I will demonstrate everything really precisely, and I will show all the small details, so the good estimation and actually good review could be done. But however, unfortunately, it would not be runnable from just opening some site, because it does require not JS to run. So let's actually access my website. Okay, we can see that I have added very nice animations. So first of all, we can see that I have a header which actually routes me to different portions of my portfolio website, and it's my picture just for people to get familiar with me. Then I have a short introduction telling who I am and what do I like, and I did spend a lot of time developing the best description of myself and the best text. Also, moving forward after the picture, we can see that moving forward we have a download CV and as well LinkedIn and GitHub. GitHub shows examples of some of my projects and actually is important for any developer, and LinkedIn is obviously also important for potential employers. As well, we can download my CV, and after downloading CV, we can see that it has all my personal information, my address, my email, etc. So this is where my biometric information is located. So because actually keeping it in a portfolio website seems not really related at the moment. So in order to get any of my information, obviously you can see here with this very precise, so I have all the needed information, fonts, etc. Then for following this, we can go to about my section. As well, you can see that the header is reacting to me scrolling the page, which is a really nice feature. So as you can see, it's actually even has some animation in it, first of all. And second of all, it's really nice transparent header which adjusts to where I'm on the page. So here I have three sections telling about what I like, what I learn, where do I study, what I can do, and this is very precise text. I have been working a lot of time to develop and explain who I am and what I can do. So here I tell about my work experience, about my personal and qualities and soft skills, and moving forward here I also add what I like to study and what type of person I am. So let's move to the projects part. As we can see, first of all, the animation is as well is present here, and it appears to be bigger when we move, and so it's really nice and smooth animation here. And we can see that our task force project is the first one here. It gives a short description in section of a project, but as well, if we click on it, we will see the model with some extra data which tells us about what it is, what technologies being used. So some of the extra data is added there, and it is nice for employers to see, but it is not overwhelming. And so in case they're interested how it is implemented and some developers want to ask some questions during the interview, for example, they definitely can find this on a GitHub. As well, I have provided some other of my projects, which I'm projects and achievements. For example, here we have a lead code, but as well some websites, some other projects from my Upwork experience. Okay, moving forward, we have my skills section. First of all, let's see that the header will move by itself here. So and the skills appears really nicely in a jumping fashion. So it is very nice experience, and it looks interesting for the user as well. We can see that I have provided a wide variety of experience that I am familiar with and I have been working with. So multiple technologies, somewhere they're divided by sections, somewhere not, but overall they present whatever I am capable to do and whatever I'm familiar with. So moving forward, I give some of my experience past. So here I do tell what school I have graduated. Moving forward, I go to George Brown College part, and then I go to my current work as a full stack developer in a Dayforce company, where I shortly give some introduction to these parts. More precisely, it is described in my CV. Then I obviously have a contact me part where I simply have my phone number and George Brown email. Then let's actually take a look at the website is scrollable through the header, and also there is a dark mode which as for me looks really nice, and even way better. It is dynamically adjusted to the type of themes that you have in your browser. So if your theme is dark by default, it will be chosen dark, and you will just go to the website which looks like this right away. Um, so let's actually scroll to the bottom just to see all the theme is adjusted really nicely here. And the last important part, important for some people who are going to review my website from smaller devices. So it is adjusted to smaller devices, and so for example, as you can see, the header goes to some form where it is more squeezed, and we can see that still it looks acceptably good. And this is for the tablet, let's say, but as well if we will go to developer menu, and I do believe if we will choose, oh no, it is actually adjusted, so we can see how it looks like on a, it's a very small phone actually. Let's choose something bigger. Okay, so yeah, we can see that everything is still there, and looks acceptably fine. So for example, like that, and you can still see and scroll and find out about myself. So I believe that's it. Thank you for your time, and I really hope that the fact that it is not deployable um, will not really influence my mark. I would be really grateful if that's the case. I will submit the code, and as well as this video showing all the experience. So maybe it's worth mentioning that contact me section, actually there is a button to contact me right away if somebody knows who I am and actually just wants to contact me, so he can or she can press a button and just right away scroll to the bottom to see my credentials. And as well we can see that let's say links do work, and they do redirect to my GitHub, I'm sorry, to my LinkedIn and my GitHub profiles. So thank you for your time and for watching.
Все нормально?
То подожди.
А?
Помовчи. Блядь.